If you want to appear more confident and engaging on your Zoom calls, your body language could make all of the difference. Think about it. If body language is crucial in person, it is extra important on virtual calls because we're only working with so much and we have to take every advantage that we have. From your posture to your hand gestures, these small adjustments can make you look more confident, approachable, and engaged, and also like you know what you're doing. Let's talk about some body language tips. Tip number one, sit up straight and relax your shoulders. Good posture will not only make you look confident, but you will feel confident as well. Something that I like to do to loosen up my shoulders is to sit up straight, roll my shoulders up and back, and do a couple of these circles to loosen things up. Look like a goblin for a second so you can be elegant for your presentation. Yeah, that felt good. Imagine that your head is a balloon that is attached to a string that is your spine and lift. Avoid slumping or leaning too far back because that can just make you seem like you don't care to be there. And even if you don't care to be there, just sit up straight. Just sit up straight, okay? Tip number two, use hand gestures, but keep them natural. Using hand gestures can add energy to your words, but keep them within the frame and avoid overly animated movements. Some of us are already overly animated, and then some of us don't want to move at all. We both just got to find that place in the middle. Small, controlled gestures near your chest or your shoulders are best for virtual calls because we can keep it in frame, we can look nice, and then there's like something happening on the screen. Tip number three, maintain eye contact by looking at the camera. Practice looking at the camera lens instead of the screen. This will help people feel like you're talking to them and not just at them. And I tell you, it makes a huge difference to me when they're doing presentations because I feel like they're talking to me because they are talking to me. And remember, you can always use Ecamm's camera framing options to help you show your body language clearly without cutting off your hands or your face. You can adjust the frame to make sure your gestures stay within the shot and that your posture looks just right. And you can even set this up before your meeting to make sure everything is looking the way you want. Now, I want to know, what is a body language tip that helps you feel confident on camera? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more tips like this, then check out this video. With these simple body language tips, you can come across confident and connected. Practice it a few times. It will get better. It will get easier. It might not feel natural at first, but the more you do it, the better you'll be.